I'm Mike from Siemens Digital Industry Software, and today we're going to take a look at NX Immersive Explorer, the latest and greatest iteration of NX's immersive engineering and design review system. It first released back in December, and we've already made some amazing enhancements as part of NX's continuous release cycle. You can now make design changes in NX and instantly see the results rendered in high fidelity in virtual reality. And you can also see animations from Mechatronics Concept Designer as you've never seen them before. Here's our model in the standard NX graphics window. It already has Siemens visual materials applied for a realistic appearance in Immersive Explorer and Ray Traced Studio. Check out last year's What's New video on visualization for more information on Siemens visual materials. We'll put a link in the description below. You can launch Immersive Explorer straight from your standard NX or NXX workspace. There's no data transfer or software compatibility to worry about. Simply jump straight from designing a product to seeing it in the immersive environment. You can visualize your design on the desktop or in virtual reality with all major VR hardware options. VR is where Immersive Explorer really shines. So let's dive in. Virtual reality in Immersive Explorer means high-fidelity graphics and gaming-level immersion. Intuitive controls make it easy for anyone to explore a model and see the realistic visualization from different angles and perspectives. If the model has associated mechatronics designs from Mechatronics Concept Designer, you can see the animation play out in Immersive Explorer too. Seeing parts move in real time in virtual reality is a true step change for validating movement in your assembly. But Immersive Explorer is about more than just visualization. The tablet lets you select different tools to both interact with the model and review the design. Controlling the software with a familiar device like this is really intuitive, even for people with less VR experience. First, we'll choose a suitable environment for our design. A suitable environment helps you ensure immersion during design review and grounds your decision-making in the right context for your product. Immersive Explorer includes a wide range of high-quality, pre-built environments with full, realistic lighting. Now we're ready for design review. We're going to look at the lifter arms at the front of the vehicle. We'll select the parts that we're interested in and hide the rest. Then we can get a closer look by disassembling individual components. This is particularly useful for inspecting internal parts or sub-assemblies. Another way to view the inner workings of an assembly is the section tool. Simply hold the pane with your VR controller and drag it across the assembly to see sections at different points. You can leave the pane in place and move around to inspect the model. Then, pick the pane back up to get another view. Having had a good look at the model, we're ready to start recording our thoughts. Our engineers are concerned about the strength of the bracket that mounts the lifting arms to the main vehicle body. We can highlight that using the Draw tool. Drawings stay situated in 3D space, so you can see them as you navigate around the model. You can add sticky notes to communicate more detailed ideas, either for your own reference or to share with colleagues. We'll leave a reminder to use Design Space Explorer on the bracket to generate enhanced geometry. Take a snapshot at any time while using Immersive Explorer to save your current view as a saved state, along with any notes or drawings. You or your colleagues can then jump straight back into any visualization in the snapshot library to instantly experience a design in a particular configuration. It's an excellent way to collaborate immersively and give others greater insight into your design review process. Now design review is done and we're ready to make a change. Our engineers have improved the bracket design using the AI-powered Design Space Explorer and Topology Optimization modules. Their new version is both stronger and lighter. After replacing the part in NX, Immersive Explorer updates immediately to show us the change in VR for instant design validation. We can run our Mechatronics animation again to check that the new part is compatible with the full range of motion required for the lifting arms. Visualizing and reviewing in VR is the next step to accelerate product development and enhance design quality. If you're using value-based licensing, you can use NX Immersive Explorer today using tokens from your token pool. Or, to get started with value-based licensing, speak to your Siemens account team to find out more. And subscribe to the channel for the next What's New video, covering how we created this new part with NX's powerful generative engineering tools.